In this video, I'm going to show you how to see how many phone calls you received from your Google Business Profile page in the last month, 60 days, 90 days, up to 6 months. So first off, we're going to open a tab. Make sure you're on Google. Search your business name. And if you're logged into the correct email, which you can tell up here, you're going to see your business on Google. The tab we're looking for is performance. We're going to click the performance tab. And by the way, this is on laptop. Down in the description will be the version on how to do this on your phone. By default, take note that it's automatically going to be selected the overview tab. So the overview tab is the sum of all of the actions that were done according to this date period. So that means this includes all the phone calls, the bookings, directions, and website clicks. The other important thing to know is this drop down by default is going to be selected for the last 6 months. What we're going to do is we're just going to select one of these months, and then we're going to go and look at the phone call tab. What I do want to say is there's a bonus video, we call this the pro tip, where you can actually go to your Google Business Profile Manager dashboard, which I'll show you how to do, and you can download up to 15 months of back analytics regarding your Google business page, and a whole bunch of other analytics that aren't included here. So link down below for that video. Okay, so back to this. I'm going to select June, hit apply. I'm going to select calls. So I can tell that this business in June got 7 phone calls. You can actually hover over these and tell exactly what day and how many calls came in on that day. So that's useful. The other thing I do want to point out though is that doesn't mean that this business only got 7 phone calls in June. That means that this business got 7 phone calls from someone clicking the call button on their mobile phone from their Google business page that came up in their search or on Maps. What's important to note is this business, as many other businesses, got a lot of website clicks from that Google Business Profile page too. Some people aren't ready to call yet. They want to make sure, 1, that you do provide the services they're looking for, 2, that you're going to be the right fit, and 3, they might just want to learn more about your business before calling. So they're going to click through to your website. So it shows 7 phone calls from the Google Business Profile page, but realistically, it could have been a lot more because there could have been many other calls that were made from your website. So we're not going to put this in this video, but you can set up tracking on your website too, either through Google Tag Manager or other third-party programs where you can track how many people clicked and called from your website as well. Okay, I hope that helps. Remember, there's links down in the description. One of the links will be how to do this on your phone, how to see how many phone calls you got. And the other link will be the pro tip that shows you how to download 15 months of your Google Business Profile analytics, including numerous other metrics. Hope that helps. Stay tuned for the next Google Business Profile tip.